Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon account on hold. So first thing first, launch your browser. At the top search bar type in amazon.com and then you will get landed onto a page like this. Under sign in, you have to tap on need help. And here you will see please make a selection. Expand it, select my account is on hold. And you will see this messages here. Make sure that you read all these and you will see a link that you can easily click. That is regain access to your account on hold. So tap on that link. Make sure that you are following everything that is said here. So first of all, you have to check your email or text messages for account on hold notification from Amazon. Once done, you have to sign in from that link if there is any link, and then you will be required to complete the form and include any necessary attachment that is asked for you. Once you do all that, you will be able to re-access your Amazon account again.